Hey cousins, welcome back to our series on imposter syndrome. I'm Kai from Creative for Purpose, and I'm thrilled to have you join us again. Today, we're going to dive into the triggers of imposter syndrome. Understanding what sets off these feelings of self-doubt and inadequacy is the first step towards managing them. Imposter syndrome can be triggered by various situations. One common trigger is starting something new, like a new job, project, or even a new hobby. The unfamiliarity can make us question our abilities and feel like we're not good enough. Another major trigger is receiving praise or recognition. It might sound strange, but when people compliment our work or acknowledge our achievements, we might feel like we don't deserve it and that they're just being nice. This can lead to a sense of being an imposter. High expectations and perfectionism are also significant triggers. When we set the bar impossibly high for ourselves, any small mistake can make us feel like a fraud. Remember, no one is perfect, and mistakes are part of learning and growth. Finally, social comparison is a huge factor. In this age of social media, it's easy to compare ourselves to others and feel like we're falling short. We see the highlight reels of others' lives and assume they've got it all together, which can make our own accomplishments feel insignificant. Recognizing these triggers can help you take a step back and realize that these feelings are not a reflection of your true worth or abilities. Comment below and let us know if you've experienced any of these triggers. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free download on imposter syndrome. It's filled with helpful information and resources to guide you. See you tomorrow as we continue this journey together.